Hi y'all, I'm really glad you're here and you want to see how many hammer hits it's going to take to hammer through this 2x4. Now I've been wanting to do this experiment for quite some time. I'm actually inspired by Mr. Beast and also just generally I'm curious. Now in order to do this, we're going to set this 2x4 up in a very controlled environment that nothing else can influence this breaking other than a hammer hitting directly through it and how many hammer hits it's going to take. We're going to count all the hammer hits and we're going to see what happens. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this and what you think of this experiment. So post in the comments below as you watch this video. And if you have any questions and if you want to see more experiments like this and tools and projects, consider subscribing if that's your thing. Well, let me take this over to my workshop, show you how I'm setting it up in a controlled environment, and we'll start hammering away. Okay, I have everything for my experiment right here on my table. I have a 3/4 inch piece of plywood that's going to serve as my base. And then I'm going to be using 1/4 inch MDF to hold the little piece of 2x4 up a little bit. And the reason for that is we want a little bit of air to be at the bottom so that way we're able to actually hammer through the 2x4. But you don't want it too high that it affects the experiment. So the 2x4 is going to sit on this. We're going to hammer through this. And I'm going to glue these down and probably put a screw in through the bottom as far out as I possibly can because I don't want the break in the screw to affect this experiment. So let me go ahead and glue and screw this up and we'll start hammering. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply some glue to the bottom of the MDF pieces that I cut. We're going to place them on the board so there's an equal distance in the middle. It's about 3.5, 4 inches. The 2x4 is 12 inches long. I use some brad nails to hold the MDF in place. Next, I flipped everything over and then installed my screws. All right, everything is now ready and we can start our experiment. We're going to be using a 20-ounce hammer for this experiment. It's made out of solid steel. We're going to be counting our hammer hits using this digital counter. It'll record how many times the hammer hits the piece of wood. All right, here we go. There we go. I hammered through it. Wow, look at that. Hammered all the way through. That was a lot. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, share it with someone else. Give it thumbs up, comments below. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Okay, guys, till next time, I'll see you later.